Guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today this is the matchday vlog. It's the final matchday vlog of the season, and today it is Tottenham versus Brighton. Of course, our first game since being crowned Europa League champions. And I mean, just Wednesday night, what a night that was. And of course, hopefully Spurs can just get the job done today, get the win and finish off the season with a win. Will that happen? Probably not. Our players have literally been on the piss for the last 3 days, so Brighton are probably going to win. Prediction, for now I'm going to go 3-0 Brighton, and yeah, I'll see you for team news. Okay, so the team news is out. I mean, it was out around half an hour ago. But yeah, I'll just get it up now. So yeah, of course, here we are. So we got Vicario in goal, Porro, Danso, Van de Ven and Destiny Udogie in the defence. Bentancur alongside Gray, Johnson, Sarr, Tau, and then Solanke up front. So it's kind of a strongish team, to be honest with you, but half of those players are probably still drunk. Brighton go with Verbruggen in goal, Hinshelwood, Van Hecke, Webster, Igor in the defence, Weifer alongside Carlos Baliba in the defensive midfield, Gruder, Ayari and Adingra, and Yankuba Minter is up front. Surprised about that. No Danny Welbeck in the squad as well for Brighton, which is quite surprising. But yeah, Brighton will still win. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I already said 3-0. I'm gonna go 2-0 to Brighton. Around the squad. Here we go. We're underway for the last time this season. Go on, Spurs! Go on, Bentancur. Tau. Corner. Spurs corner.
All Brentford in the Champions League can take Spurs out of it.
Who would you I'm all about who would you rather in Europe next year, Brighton or?
That's what UEFA should be allowed to do. Pull 4 out of Europe.
Yeah, but unfortunately that's locker
I'm
football.
only joking.
Yeah,
Oh! I'll go on.
So
Tau's in.
against them.
Oh! Here come Brighton. Not been a bad start, to be fair. Oh my god, here we go. Corner for Brighton.
Oh my god. I mean, 30 minutes in, it's not been a bad start. Forest have probably been the more brighter of the two sides.
Oh, here comes. Oh, hold on. Watkins is in for Villa. Shoot. Spurs got a penalty. Come on. I wasn't even watching. Spurs got a pen. Come on. Have that.
Watching both, as he said.
Let's have a look. Tau, is it a pen? Yeah, that's a pen. Literally stands on his foot. Literally stands on his foot. It's a clear pen. Come on. That is a clear pen. Probably going to be VAR. Doesn't look like it. Who's taking it? I'm guessing it's Solanke. Come on, Solanke. Come on, Dom. Put the pen away. Come on, Dom. Oh, Masraoui gone now. Go on, Dom. Yes! Come on! Get in. Free kick, Tottenham.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No. Half time.
Yeah, half.
The 1-0 sorry. Second half in the way. Brighton scores.
Do that step.
Jack Hinshelwood. I mean, literally, because it lags. Yeah, I've turned it on and Hinshelwood's running off celebrating. Oh, Ipswich have scored as well. Let's have a look. Shock horror, we conceded from a bloody set piece.
Means fuck all, though, doesn't it?
We are so bad at defending set pieces.
Relegation teams to be so
Jeez. So bad at defending set pieces. Brighton have got a free kick. To be honest with you, I'd probably say Brighton have... Oh, never chance for United, jeez. Probably say Brighton have been the better team, to be honest with you. I don't know. We played alright. They'll probably score now, won't they? Why are we getting the ball bounced like 4 times before we clear it? Not a foul given anymore. Corner again for... that was a horrible voice crack. Corner for Brighton. Definitely going for it now, aren't they? And they've scored again. Fucking hell. Jesus. Hinshelwood again. Fucking hell. God, we need, mate, pre-season, we need to learn to fucking defend set pieces. Fucking hell. And I'm lagging on straight. Fuck's sake. Go on. Oh, how is that a foul? Yeah, not Brighton. Made a few changes. I think Spencer's came on.
The back up to Gusto. Cleared away by Ola Amon. Chase it then.
To be fair, Brighton don't really look like. I mean, to be fair, I think Emerson's... I mean, don't get me wrong, Brighton have been the better team, but they don't really look like scoring. They've just had good possession in that. Who is that, a pen?
Yeah, because you know.
Oh my gosh. Who's got a pen?
Brighton at Tottenham.
Let's have a look. I think Basuma won the ball at first. Let's have a look.
Oh my god, that edge of...
Oh, I think he has won the ball, to be fair. Let's have a look on this angle. This is a better angle. Oh, no, he hasn't. I take that back. Here's a penalty. Oh, Arsenal are winning. God's sake. Yeah. At first, it looks like Basuma won the ball, but he didn't. Oh, United are in here.
I mean, they're another club that's done well enough. To be fair to them. There we go. Oh! 2-0 Bournemouth.
Oh, United got a penalty as well.
Wrong time, haven't they, Bournemouth? Such a shame.
Bloody hell, United got a pen as well. Jeez.
Oh, time. Forest have got 5 minutes and plus stoppage time.
Here we go. Well, Brian about to say that. Who's taking it for them? Is it Gruder?
Off.
I know, it's O'Reilly.
I think they'll take...
Here we are, O'Reilly.
They're on goal difference. And it's...
Come on, Vicario. Oh, great pen. It's a great pen, to be fair. 3-1. 4-1 to Brighton.
Alright, Dale, he scored 2 goals.
Oh. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Who even scored?
And the camera cuts to Nuno as he's like this.
Jeez. 4-1, eh? Diego Gomez. Fucking hell. 4-1 to Brighton. Fucking hell.
Oh, there it is. Gary Neville's best friend. And there
Exactly. I didn't even see, to be fair. Let's have a look. Veltman picks up the ball. Plays it to Mitoma. Mitoma back to Gomez. Oh, I tell you what. In fairness, what a goal. That's it. Full time. 4-1 to Brighton. Not the best way to end the season, but guess what? I don't care because we're champions of Europe. See you next time.